Hi guys, good morning to my friends and followers and my abangers and my family. Today is the last day today here in Queensland. We are the last day. We're just about to go to the airport. But I have message to the other my family in Rails. Hindi ako naglalagay ng mahabang video kasi alam ko ang pakiramdam kapag mahaba yung video ay nakakaboring panuorin ng tao at saka inaantok yung tao. Ako pala, hindi lahat ako. Ayun, medyo, pero at least pinapanood ko pa rin, tinatapos ko pa rin, pero palang nakakatulugan ko. Kaya ayaw kong ng mahabang video dahil alam ko ang pakiramdam. Anyhow, sa akin lang in opinion, my guys. Thank you so much.